Now let's look at this story. The Chief Justice Martha Koome is tonight demanding the immediate reinstatement of the security for Judge Lawrence Mugambi by the National Police Service. According to Koome, the judge's security detail was withdrawn over the weekend after he sentenced the Acting Inspector General of Police, Gilbert Masengeli, to 6 months in prison. Ruth Wamboi reports on one of the stories that the CJ says is giving her sleepless nights.
The President of the Supreme Court has called out on the National Police Service over an alleged attempt to retaliate against the sentencing of Acting Inspector General of Police, Gilbert Masengeli.
The Judicial Service Commission calls upon all state actors, particularly the National Police Service, to immediately restore the security of Honorable Justice Lawrence Mugambi and fulfill their constitutional duty to respect and enforce the decisions of the courts.
The President of the Supreme Court has called out on the National Police Service over an alleged attempt to retaliate against the sentencing of Acting Inspector General of Police Gilbert Masengeli. Koome said the decision to withdraw Mugambi's security amounts to intimidation.
The security of a judge are tools of trade. They are not just given by the IG. They are given by the Constitution. It is a process that goes through Judicial Service Commission and SRC, and they cannot wake up one morning and just withdraw.
Koome's remarks came as the Law Society of Kenya maintained that the independence of the judiciary is the cornerstone of a just society.
The LSK strongly condemns this retaliatory measure, which undermines not only the authority of the judiciary but also the constitutional protection granted on all Kenyans.
This has never happened before. It's the first time this is happening to a judge. As a law society, we intend to file further proceedings against the said directive and against the said decision to purport to withdraw the security of a judge because it amounts to gross misconduct and abuse of office.
Masengeli was sentenced to prison for contempt after repeatedly skipping court summons. On Monday, the Chief Justice decried setbacks, which he said was notoriously slowing the wheels of justice.
Now, when you hear the ICT budget is cut to zero, our servers are getting old and tired because of too many cases being filed, and we cannot be able to renew those servers. That, dear friends, keeps me awake at night.
On Monday, the Chief Justice decried setbacks which he said were notoriously slowing the wheels of justice. Koome's remarks came months after the fatal shooting of a magistrate at the Makadara Law Courts. With Chief Justice Martha Koome now citing that the move is a direct assault to judicial independence, Koome urges parties, if dissatisfied with their judicial decision, they should appeal to the highest court. Ruth Wamboi reporting from the Supreme Court of Kenya.
Now, the government ambitious program to clean up the Nairobi River will kick off on the 1st of October 2024. President William Ruto says that 20,000 youth